How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna do how to get veiny biceps, the ultimate tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. So I just want to say right now, before we start, this is going to be a very, very tough workout. So let's get started. First exercise is gonna be bicep twist like this. It's great for the biceps. 25, keep going. $50, keep going. $75, keep going. $100 reps, no break at all. We're gonna go straight into bicep curls like this. It's great for the biceps. Perfect. We're then going to do this. Squeeze as hard as you can. We're going to hold this for about 20 seconds. You have to squeeze really, really hard. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that is the first set. That was not the whole workout. That's just the first set. I want you to take a 1-minute break, and then I want you to redo it. In total, you're going to do 10 sets. This workout is extremely difficult to do. It's an ultimate workout. It's insane. So again, what we just did, you're going to do it, take a 1-minute break, redo it, 1-minute break, redo it. What you can do is replay the video and follow along with me again every single set if you want to. That way you don't have to count any reps. You can just follow along. It's a lot easier to do in my opinion. If you get to about set 5 or 6, you're probably going to be extremely sore. You don't have to keep pushing if your body is sore, like really, really sore. You can stop. Don't go too far. Like, I don't want you guys to get hurt. You can do this every single day if you want to. There's no need for rest days. So you can do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday if you want to. You can do it every single day. This is great for getting veiny biceps. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.